So it's about 9:54 local time. I'm getting ready to check out at the hotel. Excited to see what the drive to Cadiz will be like. For the most part, the drive from Ronda to here was very scenic. You got a lot of the mountain road views on the part down to the AP7, and then over you did get some sea views, city views. It was really a very nice drive to come here. The roads are in very good condition. Even the little back roads to where we're at now are pretty nice most of the time. Looks like the wind is picking up a little bit out there in the ocean, so I'm guessing we'll see a lot of kite surfers once the day gets going a little bit more. And I will be updating once we get moving a little bit. Just checked into our hotel and got to our room. It is a rather nice sized room. It has some air conditioning, which is always much appreciated. It has some spacious beds. It's always interesting here in Spain. They seem to have two beds that they slide together or that they slide apart. So very interesting on that part. Don't have standard king and queen beds for the most part here. Go back, get a better look from this way. Go into the bathroom. We do have a window, but it looks out just across on the building, across the street. But this room is very spacious. It does have a very nice little chair to relax in. It has a full-length mirror for when you're getting ready. A nice little desk. Nice place to put your open suitcase. Some more space to store stuff. Plenty of storage in the wardrobe, a TV, and it even has a nice little mini fridge to keep your drinks cool. And once again, it is 72, but it feels probably more like 85 than it does 72. Lots of people are in shorts, tank tops, and it is very comfortable, I think, at this temperature. There is a nice breeze here, so once again, if layering is probably the best option, make sure that you're comfortable. If you're run cold, bring a little light sweater or something to put on because the breeze can be quite strong in that place. See what else we can see. Located just a few blocks down from our hotel is this nice little plaza. They have restaurants, outside dining. It's a very nice little area. And just right around the corner over here, we have the port. This is a very great location, especially if you're coming in or going out by ship. It looks like Holland America does dock here. So there are times of the year where this does get very busy and hotels will fill up fast because of the tourist cruises. Here's a little bit better look at that plaza. As you can see, there are lots of little restaurants and this beautiful building here that's undergoing some restoration. Nice little canopies over the main walkway area. All the restaurants are pretty busy. A number of little restaurants and bars along this little plaza. Lots of people, so the food must be good. Pretty full. It's always a good sign at 3:15. Beautiful building. Looks like they are undergoing some restoration and have the tower all lit off. This is, again, right down by the port, and so the cruise lines do come in here. Right there. Best out restaurants, services, tourism, areas of photography. One of the nice things is that you look closely on all of the different areas. They're all QR coded, so it makes it really easy to access your QR scanner on your cell phone. Nice if more places would do that in a modern age, since everybody has a cell phone on them. We're out walking back along the port and looked down this little alleyway and found this beautiful square behind me. Beautiful church. So always be looking down little side streets. You never know what you might find. This is just a basic alleyway. Turns into something really amazing. And if I wouldn't have caught just the very edge of this beautiful church, I would have never found it. Did not really know it was here. But Europe is full of these little hidden gems. So as you're out walking, don't be afraid to go down a little side alley. Lunch is served. Yummy. We went back to our hotel to grab a quick nap, and we were awakened by this outside of our window. It was an awesome little religious parade that the locals were performing. I noticed this also the next night going through another part of town. So if you go to Cadiz at the end of September, I think this was around the 20th, 22nd we were there, you will probably be able to catch this little festival, or parade, I guess. Unfortunately, we both got sick right after this. We thought originally it was food poisoning, but later on I think that we were just severely dehydrated. Even though we were drinking a lot of water, I would definitely recommend having Gatorade or the Spanish equivalent and drinking plenty of it, because the sun here does seem to dehydrate you faster than a lot of places I've been, even in Europe.
Beautiful trees in one of the parks. This one is especially cool with the multitudes of trunks coming out of a central spot. And it's a very Western police ambulance. I have noticed there are a lot of bikers here in Cadiz. Must be as popular, maybe more popular than motorcycles. Very dog friendly as well. Wow. Wish I had a wider ring of winds. Beautiful park. It's one of the things I love about Europe so much is the detail in all their monuments. Of course, now that I'm recording, they stop singing. Oh, there he is. Yeah, I was trying to put it on the camera. Well, it looks like a green parrot. Can't really zoom in with this lens very far to really get a good view of him, but oh, there's one.
So, as you can see by this map, our Hotel Convieto, is located very conveniently to a lot of the popular areas here in Cadiz. We're just a few blocks from the train station, again, a few blocks from the port. Another one of the popular areas is the Cathedral de Cadiz, which is an easy about 10-minute walk. You've got the beach, as you can see by this map, that is only a few blocks away to the bottom of that map. And then if you go to the far left of the map, you're going to have one of the castles out on the little island. If you go up just a little bit from that, you're going to have another one. You got the Central Market of Cadiz right there. You've got one of the Cadiz Museum that's right kind of in the middle of this map. You've got tons of shopping and restaurants and areas to explore. All of this is very walkable. To go from about where our hotel is to the edge there where the castles are, it is probably going to be about a 30-ish minute walk, depending on how quickly you walk and how much you stop off along the way. But it's definitely a very walkable location. There are parking garages, parking lots around this area, so you can park your car. They are paid, but again, you can drop off all your bags at the hotel, go park your car, leave it there for your stay, go pick up your car, drive it back to the hotel, load up your bags, and head on to your next location. So if you are coming to Cadiz, staying in this area is highly recommended to make exploring on foot very easy and a relaxing opportunity.